Bipolar depressive disorder. Bipolar disorder is a mental disorder that causes unusual shifts in mood, energy, activity levels, concentration, and the ability to carry out day-to-day tasks. My project was on bipolar depression, which is a lifelong condition that creates unusual mood changes that can vary in length and severity. How does the illness affect people? During the depressive phase, you can experience many feelings like worthlessness, guilt, anger, irritation, lots of negative views on things, and having suicidal thoughts. It affects people by having extreme mood swings that include emotional highs and lows. When you're at your low, that is called depression, where you feel sad or hopeless and lose interest in most activities. Some symptoms are being jumpy, increased energy, and decreased need for sleep. Treatments. There isn't a specific treatment, but for bipolar depressive, there's mood medications that you can take. Some medications could be mood stabilizers, which obviously stabilize your mood. There's no specific cure, but it brings highs and low moods and changes in sleep, energy, thinking, and behavior. Society beliefs. Society can be one of those sick things in this world by getting your words twisted around. Sometimes people with serious mental illnesses get made fun of for something they can't change. With bipolar disorder, everyone is treated the same. Society says that bipolar disorder sometimes have anger outbreaks and throw tantrums all the time because their mood changes. Where can I find more about this topic? To find certain information about this topic, you can always go into more research and call some doctors around our area. A physician is always a good spot to go to, or if you think you have symptoms of bipolar disorder, then you can talk to your doctor. And then these are my citations.